Are you clear? So like this, do practice, guys. A number of programs you can do practice. And next here, now what is output? What is output here? Output here. Again, many people said error coming. Error coming. Why error coming? Huh? So here, if I'm giving like this, what is happening here? 2 column starting index 2, end index not given. That second 2 value is the step value. Every second element dot 1. So here the end value is what? Available length. This object length is 8. 8 column 2. This is the input internally converting. Okay. So now starting from where? 2. Here starting, guys. Starting from second index. And end index is what? 8. Means 8 minus 1, 7 up to here. Every second value accessing. Step value 2 means every second value. I, again A, okay. Next second value not there. IIA, you're going to get it. IIA. Many people given here empty object. You people given answer empty object. So you given name error. Where, how you are getting name error here? Is that clear now? All of you. So I said these points why I given. So 3 inputs there syntax. This one and this one and this one. 3 inputs there, guys, in this syntax. Now you can check it. What I given here, first one, this one. Okay. So this first input start index value is 2, and this is a step value, guys. Step value, and end value not given here. Here not given end value. End value if not given, what is the default value available or given object length? Given object length. Which value is there? Starting value is there, step value is there, end value not there. If not there, given object length. If starting value only not there, for example, the same one, okay, here, starting value also not giving here. Then starting value here by default 0 is considering. End value is 8 available object length. Step value is 2 every second element from starting to ending getting. So yes, I, again A, like you're getting. Is that clear, everyone? So do practice, guys. A number of times do practice. So I'll discuss today other points. Okay? No need to spend much more time. Okay, now check it, another points. So Python string supports concatenation behavior, guys. Up to these points, last session I explained. Some more points there. Okay, focus here. Python string is supporting concatenation behavior or not? Yes, supporting. Concatenation behavior using plus operator supporting, guys. String 1 plus string 2 side by side concatenating. That's why you're going to get here the Srinivasa. Okay, some objects coming days we are going to discuss in list, set, tuple, dictionary, like different objects. Okay, different data types. Some data types not supporting concatenation. That's why string supporting or not? Yes, supporting. Okay, so every point immediately, if you want, you can do practice, guys. Okay, whatever the point I said, correct or not, if you want to test, so then immediately you can do the practice. Okay, Srinivas, like you're getting. Some objects not going to do concatenation. Okay, next, string supports multiplication behavior also. Not multiplication, this is you can consider like a repetition behavior, guys. Repetition. Just wait. Okay, now here, string supports a repetition operator behavior, guys. Repetition behavior means simply here, any string, for example here, Srini, like I'm using, Srini into 3 times Srini, 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 like you're going to get. So repetition behavior supporting simply. Next, string supporting unpacking and packing also, guys. String supporting packing and unpacking concept. So unpacking means extracting the string elements automatically and assigning to the different variables. So for example here, so here A comma B comma C is there, here the SRI 3 characters there. First character into A, second character into B, third character into C, assigning. This is called unpacking. When we are working with unpacking concept, left side variables count must be double equal to right side object length. Right now here object length is 3, then 3 variables expecting. Okay, so now A value, B value, C value, like you are going to get it. Now let me know, guys, here if one variable is not there, okay, only 2 variables there, and here the 3 values there, guys, then what is the output? What is output you are expecting? Left side 2 variables, right side 3 values there in the object. What is the output? Value error getting. No syntax error, Karthik. Value error you're getting. Okay, and don't give me replay error coming like that. Which error I'm expecting? Is that value error, syntax error, or any other error? Okay, don't give only error like that. Okay, value error coming. Okay, and here the 4 variables there and 3 only there in the object length. Okay, that time also value error only getting, remember. Okay, so next here, right side only one variable is there, one variable is there, this two not there, guys. Right side 3 values there, left side only one variable is there, right side 3 values there. What is output? Is that throwing value error? What is the concept of that? Is that unpacking or any other concept? Left side one variable, right side 3 values. Concept name is what? Sundaram, you are not going to get unpacking error. So unpacking means still you people not getting clarity. See here. So this is unpacking. Object length 3 is there here. Then 3 variables expecting. Left side variables count must be equal to right side object length. Then properly working, guys. Okay. Now this same one. Next here, left side 2 variables only there, but right side 3 values there. This is unpacking. More than one variable is there in the left side. It is called as unpacking concept. That's why value error, too many values to unpack. Expected 2 values only, but here 3 values there. We have only 2 variables. That's why value error you're getting. Okay. So next here D also there. 4 variables there, 3 values only there. Again value error, not enough values to unpack. Expected 4 values, got 3 values like return. And next my answer is, my question is here. So left side only one variable is there, right side 3 values there. What is the concept of this? I asked. So if only one variable is there, this is assignment, string assignment. This string object assigned into this variable. Okay, if I'm printing A, then SRI you are going to get it. More than one variable is there, then it is a concept of unpacking. Okay, now next here B comma C. This is the unpacking. Now I want to do packing as A value is there, B value is there, C value is there. So if we want to do the packing, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. This is what concatenation. A value, B value, C value side by side concatenating. Again, string object is generating. This is called packing. Packing using concatenation. Or using we will discuss today about that. And next, Python string supports membership operators also. Membership operators, all objects supporting guys. All objects. Coming this, every object also supporting. So now here, I am going to search for P. P in Python. P in Python. So P is available or not in this Python string? Yes, available. Then true return that. Okay. So here, not in. If I'm using P not available in Python like searching, but this is available. That's why false coming. Okay. And here only, if we are searching for other letter X not in Python, yes, not available, then true coming. Okay. This is called membership operator. Okay. So every string object supporting the membership concept. Jana, you are asking about unpacking, not understanding. Okay, previously also in some concepts I explained the packing, unpacking. Did you read in material? Without reading material, without doing practice, people get in that confusion. Whatever material I am sharing, 100% you have to do reading. Unpacking is a simple concept. Packing, unpacking. So here I have an object. Okay, I have an object in this three character SRI. Okay, string object, this one. From this string object, each character extracting. Okay, see here, extracting the string elements automatically and assigning to the variables. So this first character I'm assigning to this A guys. Okay, to the A variable. Simply here, yes, I'm storing, and now here R value I'm storing, and next here I value I'm storing. Next here the I value. Okay. So from this string object, each character accessing separately and putting into different variables, assigned to different variables. Every variable is maintaining some memory guys. Okay. So this is unpacking. Packing is nothing but these all different variable related values merging and creating like a single object, single Python object. This is called packing. SRI like coming. Okay. So if you want to do this unpacking, left side variables count must be equal to right side object length. Right side string object is there with SRI value. This object length is what now? 3. 3 there here. Okay. So 3 there means left side 3 variables expecting. Yes, 3 variable there. First value into first variable, second value into second variable, third value into third variable assigning. After that, if I'm printing A, yes coming, B, R coming, C, I coming. If printing. This is called unpacking. Okay, now A value is there, B value is there, C value is there. Using plus operator, we can merge. That is called packing. Simple concept. Okay. And what is packing, unpacking? You can search in the internet. More examples will get it. Okay. This is about this thing, guys. This material also I shared with you. So here, whatever the points I explained, almost 70 to 80% of the points same only there. And the next list concept. Same only. Wherever string we used here, instead of string, next tuple we are using or list we are using. Understanding? For example here, Python string supporting repetition, Python string supporting concatenation. Next, Python tuple supporting concatenation, Python list supporting concatenation. Like that, we are going to discuss. Okay? Yes. So now coming to today concept, guys. Coming to the today concept. So here, today we are going to discussing about the Python string methods, guys. Python string methods. So in Python we have so many methods. Using those methods we can manipulating the given string object values. Okay, by using the Python string methods we can manipulating the string data guys as per our requirement. So here previously print function, for example, see here s equal to Python. This is a Python string guys, and print is a function. Print is a function. Using the function we can print. Using the print function given okay, this string object related unique id value address value we can print it. And next type is a function guys. Type is a function. Using the type function in this s reference, s is a variable reference. In this reference what type of value is there? String type value is there, we can identify it. Using the len function, in this variable reference how many elements are there? In this string object how many elements there? 8. Here the 6 elements there. Python contains 6 values. Okay, so len function guys. So here finally what is your understanding? Any function name of object as a input we are giving guys. Okay, function name of object simply. So this object as a input we given. Okay, these all things considering like a functions. Print function, id function, type function, len function, like that. Okay, now I'm going to discussing about the methods. So method syntax looks like a function only guys. So but here object name dot method name. Okay, method name, like this we are writing. So function means, see this syntax if you are seeing like this is a function, len function, type function, id function, like that. Object dot something name is there. Okay, this name, like something name is there, that is called method. Okay, for example I have a string object yes, upper method is there. Yes dot upper method, yes dot lower method is there. So this is not a function, upper function, lower function. Upper method, lower method we are calling. Why means object dot property name is there. Object dot property name. Okay, so object name means that is a method. Property name of object only if we are giving as input to the property, then this is a function. Are you clear right now? Difference between function syntax and the method syntax? Later the coming days more clearly we will discuss when we are developing when we are discussing about the functions and methods, more differences. Hope everyone understanding guys. Now check it here. Check it guys here. So I have on a string guys here Python language. Okay, so here Python language, like that I have one string. So string dot lower method, we can write. So this entire string is converting into lower case. Given string converting into lower case. Yes, now lower case format converted. Now one point let me know guys. Is string immutable object or mutable object? Is string immutable or mutable? Immutable object. Immutable means once creating like this in a memory location, is this changeable?
No.
Is this changeable or not? No. But right now using lower method, I changed this uppercase characters, I changed it to lowercase. Why? What happened here? Previously I said one point. Once creating one string object in one memory location, in that memory we cannot do any changes. So right now using lower function, this string value I changed. If I'm printing yes, if I'm printing yes, okay, here, if I'm printing yes, so are you going to get this output or this output?
Hold out. Hold out.
Old output or new output? Old output we are getting. Okay, so this is creating like a new object, guys. So actually here what happening means this is our string object contains the Python language, this one. Okay, this one there, guys, here. Okay, uppercase letter language there. So next, whenever I'm using this lower function, so here what value is there? This entire value is converting into lowercase, written like a new object. It means so new memory is creating. It's like a new object. If we are assigning to any variable, then that variable reference also creating in the memory location. Okay, like this. If we are not assigning to any variable, just on the screen display in temporary purpose. Are you clear, everyone? This one. So in original object cannot do any changes because of immutable. So here new object will be created. So this is right now here available. Once creating this, once closing this screen, automatically deleting this one. Temporary memory only. So string is immutable object. Using lower function change it to lowercase. You said immutable, it means not changeable, but right now changed. Why? Like asking in interview. That time some people confusing, later again changing their opinion. No, 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 string is immutable object, that's why change it like that, they're saying. So absolutely wrong, guys. You can say it here. A new object is creating in this original object, not doing any changes. It is like a new object. If you want to save in memory, we can assign to a new variable. Otherwise, temporarily storing here. That is the concept. Updated string, if you want to print, so right now this is printing only, na? And if you want to save, then here the new variable you can use. For example, s2 equal to, like if I'm writing now s2, you can use lowercase format printing. Normal s is original object printing. Normal s is printing original object. Okay, like that. Okay, now come to here. This is our original string as s dot lower method converting entire string into lowercase, s dot upper method converting entire string into uppercase format, written like a new object only, guys. In our original object, no changes. Okay, remember that. Next, s dot capitalize method. See, one or two letter you can type it and press the tab symbol. Full method name will come, guys. Tab symbol when you are pressing. So capitalize method. So now here what you are understanding? So when we are using capitalize method, given string related first letter is converted into uppercase. Remaining entire string is converted into lowercase. Okay. So using capitalize method, only first letter of the given string is converted into uppercase, remaining all letters converted into lowercase. That is a capitalize method behavior. Next, yes, this is yes, guys. Yes dot title method. Yes dot title method. So title method behavior is in given string, if number of words there, every word first letter is converted into uppercase, remaining letters converted into lowercase. Okay, so every word first letter here, using title method, every word first letter converting into upper, but using capitalize method only first letter of the given string. This is entire string related, only first letter is converted into uppercase, remaining all letters converted into lowercase. That is the difference between capitalize method, title method. Are you clear?
Yes.
So now here you got object dot. So here s is object, guys. Simply object dot. Now here object. Okay, next upper method, lower method here, capitalize method done, and the next title method done. Okay, and the next swap case method, guys. Swap case method. So what is the behavior of swap case method means? So this is the original object s dot swap case method. Lower letters into uppercase letters into lower letters, converting as okay, opposite format. Lower characters into uppercase format, uppercase characters into lowercase format, converting. Swapping means opposite you're getting. So 5 methods is upper method, lower method, capitalized method, title method, swap case method. All of you clear about these 5 methods? Next, another 5 methods we are going to discuss in. So a lot of methods there is object dot split method. I'm going to use object dot split method. Now here s1 equal to, so Python is easy language and simple. Python is easy language and simple. Just this is my string, guys. S1 is this string is there. Here number of words there. S1 dot split method we can use. S1 dot split method.
So
So
every
this
word
split
contains a
method
whole
is
string.
splitting
Python
like a
is a
list
string
of
is
strings
easy
where each
language
string is like
and
one word. Where each string is like one word. Guys. See here,
yes.
list of words wise returning. Simply we can consider like list of strings, string 1, string 2, string 3, string 4, like that. Each string looking like one word. This one, okay, like this. So by default, split method is splitting. Splitting means dividing wherever empty space is there here. Okay, by default, empty space as a delimiter or as a separator, considering, and then splitting also. Okay, by default, empty space considering. So this one, this one, this one, like that. List of words wise returning. List of words wise. Are you clear, guys? So Chaitanya, here the capitalized method means in given string only first letter is converted into uppercase, remaining all letters converted into lowercase format. Title method behavior is in given string if number of words available, every word first letter is converted into upper, remaining letters converted into lower. Okay, practically do testing and identify the answers. So now here split method. So split method behavior right now I explained, guys. Split method behavior. So list of words wise returning. Sometimes guys, this is a string. In this string, how many words are there? I want to find out. I want to know it. How to find out? Like asking. Simply,
Using the length
I have one
function.
string contains number of different words, guys. Multiple words. How many words are there in the given string? Like asking. Then you can use the len function. So here the string one dot split method we can use. So totally 6 words there. So because of this one, list of words coming. Now this entire list as a input to this len function I given. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Total count written. 6 words are there, like you can say it. Are you clear this one? This is the task, guys. I have a string. How many words are there in that string? So first string using split method, you can split like a list of words and pass that input to the len function. How many words are there you are going to find out. Okay, next point here. Split method by default delimiter as a empty space taking. If you want any other delimiter also, you can use it. That is your wish. Okay. So here, okay, manually I'm taking as empty space. This is one single space, guys. Single space. Okay, wherever space is there, they're separating. This is one single space related. So wherever space is there, they're separating. Okay, by default, how many times separating means all available times from starting to ending, searching for empty space. Okay, wherever empty space is there, they're splitting. So if you want, you can also give it count, guys. Okay, wait. Something is wrong. This is our string. Okay, this is our string, guys. Now here list of watch wise returning with empty space. So I want to give it count also, guys. So two I given. 2 means only 2 times only splitting where empty space is there. So here one time is there and here one time is there. And from here to here like a single finger. Even though empty space is there here, but not splitting. From here to here is like a single single, like considering. See here, Python is next remaining entire string is like a single string only. Okay, only 2 times splitting. This is the count parameter, guys. How many times you want to split? Okay, and the next this is our s1 dot split method, and here in this place, okay, any commas or something there, guys, you can split it. For example, here is I'm taking, wherever is there, they're splitting. So right now here, from here to here is like one string, and next from here to here is like one string. Okay, only one time is there is. So here splitting. This is like one string, and this is like another string. Okay, so if big length string there with commas operation, then you can use here comma. That is your visa. So now here see, like this separating. All of you clear about this one? Dhananjay, are you clear now? With some delimiter. Yes, I used here is delimiter. Wherever is there, there splitting. Okay, now? And now here, if you are not using any space, then okay, no separator is there here. This is the default empty string, guys. Okay, that's why value as a empty separator like coming. So empty separator not accepting, you have to give some input here. You have to give some input here. Okay, so now here, okay, one empty space I'm using, one empty space. Wherever space is there, here is there space, here is there space. Okay, so wherever space is there, they're splitting. So 2 times only I want to split, then 2 we can use. So then you are going to get like this. So here the one space is there, here one space is there, yes. Okay, here one space, because of this is one thing, and here also one more is there. This is one more thing, and the remaining entire is like a single thing only returning. This one. Only 2 times only you want to split, then here one time splitting, here one time splitting. If you are not giving this count, here also splitting, here also splitting, here also splitting. That is the concept. To practice, okay, number of times. So right now here totally 6 words there, guys. If I'm giving here 20 times not there empty space, only 6 times only there. So those available times splitting. Those available times splitting. Clear that? Okay, that is the split function behavior, guys. Okay, next S1 equal to, this is S1 original string. S2 you can take it. Multi-line string, guys. Multi-line string using quotations we can write. Python is easy language, and next Python is simple language. Next Django is a framework. Django is a framework or web framework. Django is a web framework. And next next creating APIs using DRF means Django REST framework. Okay, simply 4 lines of string I created, guys. So if I'm printing 2, then you're going to get 4 lines. I have one string. How many lines are there? I don't know. But I want to know. I want to find out, guys, how many lines are there in this given string. I want to find out how many lines are there in a given string. I want to find out how many words are there in a given string. I want to find out how many characters are there in a given string. In 99 characters there. Okay, from here to here, the totally 99 characters there, including spaces. Including spaces. Spaces also countable. If you want reducing the spaces, you can write some additional lines of code. And next here, s2 dot split method, list of words wise returning guys. List of words, this entire string. So this entire string, if we are giving as an input to this len function, totally 17 words there. If you are counting these all, 17 words are there in this given string. Now next my question is how many lines are there? So then s2 dot split lines guys, split lines method is there. Split lines method returns like a list of strings where each string is like one line. Simply we can consider like list of lines. List of lines guys. Okay. So here s2 you can print s2. Check it here. So this first line is like one string guys here. Second line string, and this is third line string, fourth line string guys. So list of strings where each string is like one line like that returning. How many lines are there? I want to find out. Then what we are going to do? So this one to the len function we are giving as input. 4 lines there. Is that clear, everyone, so far? Split method, split lines method, yes. And next here, replace method. Replace method is the old substring, comma, new substring, comma, count also we can use. Okay, this is the replace method behavior. Replace method behavior. Okay, so now here, yes2, okay, you can print yes2. You're going to get like this. So here, wherever Python is there, there I want to replace with Java, guys. There I want to replace with Java, where Python is there. So now here, s2 dot replace of old string, comma, new string, comma, count, guys. By default, -1 up to the last place searching. Okay. Okay. Now here, replace of old string Python, where this Python is there, their new string Java I want to replace. Okay, so by default in all occurrences wherever Python is there, their Java is going to replacing by default from starting to ending searching by default. Okay, so now check it guys. So here Java, if you want you can print then multiple lines format you're getting. So print function if we are using here slash n is there, in every line ending slash n is there, because of that moving to the next line. Okay, now here see here Java, only 2 times Python is there, that's why replacing with Java. So next here, how many times you want to replace? Only one time I want to replace. So only here Java replacing, next Python not replacing. Okay, only one time I want to replace Python with Java. If you're not giving count from starting to ending searching for Python, they are going to replacing Java. Okay, so next here I want here now here where the PHP is there, wherever PHP is there, there I want to replace with the Java. So right now here the PHP is not there in my main string. This is the main thing is Python. In this no PHP is there, so then not replacing Java. Not replacing Java. If available, then going to replacing. So if not replacing, original string only returning. No error. Original string only returning. If this is not available, then not replacing original string as it is printing. This is about the replace method behavior. This input format is important. All of you clear? Split method, split lines method, replace method, and the next object dot count method, guys. Count method. Okay, count of element or something we can use. Okay, now here, what is that? Here, or else simply S1. S1 is this one, guys, string. Okay, S1 dot count of here P I'm using, guys, count of P. P is how many times available searching. Okay, from here to here, searching as P is how many times available. Here one time is there, and next here one more time is there. 2 times there, guys. Okay, it returns a 2 count. Return 2 count. If I'm using here some X, so X is not there here. X is not there, guys. Then it is going to return 0, no error. If given substring is available in this main string, how many times available, count returned. Okay, if not available, 0 return. If available, how many times available, returning. Not only single character, guys, group of characters also we can use. For example, is. So this is a substring is. So in this string, how many times is available? Only one time available, return. All of you clear this one? Count method behavior. All are the single line methods, guys. Letter to letter we can discuss, Anusha. Wait some time. Next, so here P letter how many times available? 2 times there. So now here I'm going to give 1. So in this situation only 1 return. What happening here? What happening here means by default searching for P letter from 0 index onwards. Every character is having indexing, guys. From 0 index onwards up to the available object length searching. Up to available object length searching. Okay, 2 times available. Here available, here available. But right now here, what I given? 1 I given. It means starting index is 1. From index 1 onwards, so this is index 1. From here onwards, I'm searching for P letter. So here is available. Okay.
Mosquito is there, mosquito not here. Here, yes. More recording who is તમે કોઈ નથી લેતા હું તમને લખી કોણ તમે ଦେଖିକି ତମକୁ କହିବି ଆସିଲଣି ନା ଆଚ୍ଛା ସେଇଟା
Zero is written there. So it means this is a zero one index there. One index. 31 index is this one. 30 index one. 31 index is this still written. So n minus 1. 30 index is here only changing. Okay. So in this range index is not there.
That's why it written 0.
For this element are thinking for this upstream by default start index start index position taking and end index
Index
position
fixed.
end index position element comma start index value comma index value. So by default start index value 0 end index value up length then okay.
Yes.
Next object data count method index method we can use index method. So now again here element comma start index position comma end index position same syntax. Index method is there. Now here yes to Python simply Python append yes dot index of I'm going to extension for y letter index is what y letter index. So means 0 by 1 is like this index value there. Y letter index is 1. Okay. By using the index method we can find out the given character index value. Given value. If this character is different than left to right searching index value is returned. Okay. So right now index one returned is value I'm changing the Python level Python level yes dot index index so index of p available 0 is and here also available starting with the okay we are wrong contact I used to DT now.
Yes.
Yes. No.
0.
This letter is available in a 0 index position only. Okay. So here by default starting from 0 and available length. Okay. Here data is just length is what can find out. Then now here 16 is there. 16 is there. So can write 16. So now here, if 0 index is 16 index searching, here letter is available in 0 index position only. Next here, I'm going to use the index 1. From the index 1 to 16 index searching about the letter. So in 13th index available guys. Okay, in 13th index available. 16th index value is 13. Total 16 characters means this is 15. Yes, 14
14.
13th index available. Okay. So here onwards checking for letter we have available then. So here it is available. Okay. So this is what element start index value end index value start range. They are not. So right here in 13th index available. I'm using here the 13. Now what is the output? What is output here? Dot index equal comma 1 comma 3. What is output? Why 0? Why 0? Okay, not 0 here. No problem. I left that. So here between 1 to 13 means 13. But it is not this one. N minus 1. N minus 1 means up to letter only 16. From this Okay. So behavior here selected. So if Java is in the index position available, if not available, while you are doing, while you are doing, while you are something is not found. For example, here in this not extended, simply I'm for Q. Q letter is not available in Python developer. Not available while you are returning. If available in index position available return. If multiple available, first after that index value. Got it this one? That is index behavior. So same like that. All index behavior. See here. In this case, if it is position is there, so next here, or index means right index. So right index 13, right index 13. Check it here. So normal index from left to right extension, left to right extension, here we have 0 returned. Okay. Or index, or index,
Right and
right to left extension, this direction. Right to left extension. So here we have this is the 13 position. 13 position. 0, 1, 2, 3, like counting. So this value is 13 position returned. Right index extension where first PPR that index value returned. Index or index. Index is required by or index like to left. Same like that. Same like that. Find method is there. Same like find method. So find left. Left to right shifting where index is available index value returning. Index method also
yes.
so here find the same behavior. Index method related here. Given something is not available, what happened here? Error returned. Okay. So now you find method. You find method. Find method is when something not available, return -1, not exception return. It does not indicate normally, just return -1. And -1 return is this something not available in 916. While you are return. What is the difference between find and index? Very important question. Both of them behavior, but index method return while you are at exception, it is given something not available in 916. But find method does not return exception, but return simply -1. If -1 return means some not available like that, we are getting confirmation. Okay. Same like this. Find the method or find method. Right to left find also there. Right to left find that. Right to left direction section. Okay. So remember guys, this one. So yeah. R index. R index related. And then next. So in this is find method and R find method. Okay. So now here the method and two methods. Five methods yes, and here the 3 there. So here 5 completing again 5 completing 10 and 13 methods. One would answer methods. Lot of methods there. One would answer method. I will explain. Two false integrations. Object dot is alpha. Okay. Lot of methods there. We'll discuss first. Check it here. So this is the thing. Okay. Here dot is lower. Is lower method return true. Boolean function answer. Boolean function return true. If given thing contain only lowercase letters. Only lowercase letters. So in this one, okay, here all lower letters there. For example, here Python. Okay, two characters upper character there. So is lower using return false. So only lower function find this fetching part. Lower character is not given thing. If available true return, otherwise false return. Same like that. Here. Dot is upper. is upper method is there. If given content on the upper character, return true, otherwise return false. Okay, so that's point number. Object dot is lower method, and then the next is upper method. Okay, lower method, upper method. Okay, and then is alpha guys. So here dot is alpha is alpha. Alpha means only character. Even if only character return true, otherwise false. So right here characters there and also thinking is here. Anything that's why false only character there return true. For example here Python maybe lower letter no problem. Is alpha is alpha and now return true. Okay. So remember that. Next, Python 1, 2, 3. Character number 3 is alpha. Is alpha. Return what? Is alpha. Return what guys? If only character is return true. But here numbers also there. That's why false return. Okay. Next here is all NUM, all NUM means numeric number, alpha numeric meaning, all NUM, all numeric meaning all numeric, simply alpha numeric. Okay, so only characters and numbers available that return true. Okay. Other than this, any other input there, then return false. For example, here, if I'm using it is then return false. Okay, that is all behavior. All behavior. Alpha and then next all behavior. And then next here. 1, 2, 3 is then dot is numeric. Is numeric. Only in format number then return true. So here in any character there, then return false. That is used numeric method behavior. Same behavior is digit also there. Is digit. Okay. Is digit. If one digit then return true or return false. Any spaces there false return. Any character there also false return. Okay, na? So now here next only is numeric. Is numeric there. Is numeric. And then next object dot is digit. Is also there. Okay. So now here. So 5 more methods is okay. And this is one more method is method right now here. So all the 18 methods we taken and this is okay 19 methods. 19 methods. And next object dot is title. Which is title is there. Is title. So now check it here one. So number of what there. So S1 dot typing method behavior is every word and letter converted into uppercase. Now S1 dot is title. This behavior is in the given string every word first letter uppercase they are not searching. Every word first letter content uppercase are not searching. By method TTS return true, otherwise return false. So here not available uppercase characters in every word, but this is having uppercase characters in every word. Now here the is we can see then return true. Understanding? So sometimes how to find out everything contains every word uppercase, every word first letter uppercase or not. How to find out given thing contains every word first letter uppercase or not. By using this type method. Okay, na? So 20 methods I explained right now. 20 methods I explained. So nearly 10 more methods there. So we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, remaining method. Today this is slightly late. I spent a lot of time. That's why methods are a little bit postponing. Okay, pending there, guys. So 20 methods and every method is information available in the video, guys. Okay, here, see here. Okay, is lower method, lower method, title method, capitalize method. So what would happen? One example. Okay, so by good you are understanding what is happening here. So this material I'm going to say here are all available methods. So many methods guys in this thing. So nearly 35 lines. Some people just 10 to 15 methods. Then nearly 10 methods and think on to our like that thing. I will explain the 30 methods which are really helpful to your area. Okay, these are all methods coming in function. Highly enhancing concept also available and regular expression we can use in wide in areas in wherever we want. Okay. So remembering this all to practice this all. So I'll stop now here the session. We can continue tomorrow. Thank you. See you. Bye.